Good morning, students. Welcome to Computer Aided Design course code P20DE102, Lecture 3, Class Discussion Topic on Hardware Trends. I am B. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, CATIA Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. Before going to explain this topic, let us see the lecture outcome for this topic. After completion of this lecture, student will able to learn the following lecture outcome. Discuss technology, hardware concepts and computer types. In graduation level, the students have learned about four types of systems like mainframe based systems. The second one is mini computer based system. Third one is microcomputer based system. Fourth one is workstation based system. In everyday technologies developed and new components are added to these four categories. Every day, there are new hardware systems and parts available from different suppliers, yet each system's fundamental design fits into one of the four categories. That means four types of systems like mainframe based system, mini computer based system, microcomputer based system, and workstation based system. Technology in everyday technology is developed. So let us see the what is technology. Technology is defined as the implementation of a concept. Technology usually changes rapidly, therefore it becomes difficult to predict over a long period of time and also results in confusing end users when making hardware related decisions. Hardware concepts seems to take a longer time to develop, and once a concept developed, it lasts for quite some time. That means hardware innovation appears to take longer to develop, and once the innovation is completed, these innovations uh, stick for a long period. For example, considering personal computers, the underlying concept is the single user or personal computing environment. However, the existing personal computers technology includes infinite number of models and types and keeps changing every day. It should also be realized that concepts and technology influence each other and both originate from the end user to criticism of existing technology. A methodology for technology prediction based on the available of hardware concepts as a computer reaction times and hardware and software prices. Software prices continue to fall. It is expected that utilization in engineering design and manufacturing will dramatically rise in the next coming years. For example, mechanical MCAE, that means MCAE stands for Mechanical Computer Aided Engineering. Mechanical computer aided engineering systems are dedicated to design functions, hardware networking and true integrations between CAD Cam and CAD Cam software will play a major role in increasing these usages. Another future trend is the increasing modularity of CAD CAM and increasing standardization of many CAD CAM components. These standards will provide users with more options and the ability to configure their system to their needs. As technology advances and user needs change, new standards will replace with old standards. It is therefore not necessary to have permanent hardware standards. What is happening and will continue to develop is that every component of CAD CAM system, from operating system to LANs. Already in previous lecture we discussed about LANs and types of LANs. LAN stands for LANs will be standardized among some key manufacturers. It appears that it will be tough to upgrade current CAD CAM systems in the future. Major suppliers cannot spend in offering completely upgradable systems because technology is moving too quickly. They generally provide only an ability to convert data from one upgrade system to other upgrade system. Other than data, hardware, software and training investment become outdated. So in every day, the software and hardware components are modified or invented with new components. Let us see the CAD CAM market in the United States. Let us see the distribution of United States distribution of sales by system configuration type in CAD CAM market. You can see here in the table it's showing that sales by configuration type, different types of configurations are available in the market. The first one is turnkey system, second one workstation system, personal computer system and mainframe host system. These are the few important types of systems available in United States CAD CAM market. From 1984 here, the data given from 1984 to 1992. For every 2 years, that means 1984 to 1986, for and 1986 to 1988, 1988 to 1990, 1990 to 1992. For every 2 years, the the sales by configuration type is increased. You can see here that is for example workstation. In 1984, the sales by configuration type is $320 million. In 1986, it is increased to $548 million. In 1988, it is increased to $838 million. In 1992, it will be increased to 11 $1,169 million. In 1992, it increased to $1,511 million. So the growth rate is from 1985 to 1992. The growth rate of workstation is 20.1 percentage. Similarly, see the remaining systems, turnkey system growth per year is 11.8 percentage, personal computer is 20.8 percentage, and mainframe host is 16.3. The total growth per year in United States is 14.9 percentage. You can see the second data shares of configuration in terms of percentage total. Turnkey system growth per year decreased to 2.7 percentage. Workstation increased 4.5 percentage. Personal computers increased 5.1 percentage, and mainframe host increased to 1.1 percentage. You can see the second parameter growth rates percentage per year. Turnkey system Growth rate decreased to minus 1.6 percentage. Workstation also decreased to minus 12.3 percentage. Personal computer also decreased minus 32.1 percentage. On mainframe host decreased to minus 12.2 percentage. Okay, among these four systems, the we can observe that more decreased in personal computer, that is 32.1 percentage, and sales by configuration is increased in personal computers. This is the data. This is the data in that means United States distribution of sales by system configuration type in units. Sales by configuration type, number of complete systems. Uh, Turnkey system 3658 units. In the year of 1992, it is increased to 10,810 units. So the growth per year is 15.1 percentage. Similarly, workstation growth per year from 1985 to 1992 is 27.4 percentage. On mainframe host, growth per year is 20.1 percentage. On mainframe host, 16.5 percentage. The total is 20.9 percentage. Sales by configuration type expressed in number of graphic seats. According to graphic seats, turnkey system increased from 1985 to 1992 is 20.3 percentage. Workstation growth per year from 1985 to 1992 is 27.4 percentage. Similarly, personal computers 20.1 percentage. On mainframe host 18.7 percentage. Total 20.9 percentage. The next parameter is sales by configuration type, number of complete systems. In turnkey system, it decreased to minus 0.4 percentage. Workstation increased growth per year increased to 5.5 percentage. On mainframe host decreased to minus 1.8 percentage. Total is not mentioned here. So that means uh, total is null percentage. That means 0 percentage. The next parameter is growth rates of number of graphics seats. Turnkey system growth rates of number of graphics systems decreased from 1985 to 1992 is minus 0.9 percentage. Workstation minus 9.6 percentage. Personal computers minus 33.1 percentage. On mainframe host minus 10.8 percentage. Total minus 14.1 percentage. Terminals are average system. According to the parameter, terminals are average system. Turnkey system growth per year increased up to 4.5 percentage. Workstation 0. Personal computer 0. On mainframe host 1.9 percentage. Here one important note that the above figures are CAD Cam systems sold as complete system to end users. One more important is the number of graphic seats is measure of how much interactive user the system can support simultaneously. I have collected this source from Frost and Sullivan report 1564. You can see the previous tables uh, in pie charts. This pie chart shows Cad Cam Market sales. You can see here. This is the 19. This pie chart shows in the year of 1986. Workstation 548 $548 billion. Next, personal computers 366, mainframe host 765. You can see the this pie chart 1992 workstation increased to 1511 billion units. Personal computers also increased up to 914 billion units. Mainframe host also increased up to 1765 billion units. You can see the second chart. This figure shows shares of CAD CAM systems. In the year of 1986, workstation workstation shares of configuration is 15.10 percentage. In the year of 1992, it is increased up to 90 percentage. In the year of 1986, personal computer is 10.10 percentage. In the year of 1992, it is increased up to 11.50 percentage. In the year of 1986, mainframe host shares is 21.10 percentage. Mainframe host 22.20 percentage. In the year of 1986, Turnkey system sales percentage is 53.70. It is decreased to in the year of 1992, that is 47.30 percentage. You can also see here this pie chart it shows growth rate of CAD CAM systems. In the year of 1986, mainframe host growth rate is 24.50. In the year of 1992, mainframe host decreased to 10.10 percentage. Turnkey system percentage growth rate is 13.10 percentage. In the year of 1992, Turnkey system growth rate of CAD CAM system is 10.10. That means it decreased from 13.10 to 10.10. Similarly, you can see the remaining workstations. You can see this pie chart. It shows CAD CAM sales, that means number of complete systems. This is the 1986 versus this is the 1992 systems. Next, see the second figure. This figure shows the number of graphic sheets. Here, this pie chart gives the complete details in between 1986 versus 1992 data. These figures show the growth of number of graphic sheets, percentage of total growth number of sheets. This pie chart shown in 1986 versus 1992. This pie chart, this figure shows growth rates of number of graphic sheets. 1986 versus 1992. For example, you can see here Turnkey system growth rates of number of graphic sheets is 21.80. In the year of 1992, growth rates of number of graphic sheets for Turnkey system is 18.4. That means it decreased from 21.80 to 18.40. In previous slides, we discussed about uh, distribution of sales in for different types of systems in United States. The method is based on the observation that parameters governing computer advances in technology from year to year are relatively constant. These parameters, for example, include the cost per chip and cost per unit weight. Based upon these parameters, the price will be changed. Let us see the few important points in hardware transfer change the price from one system to another system. The method presents a computed tire model based on the following axioms. Let us see the first axiom. Regardless of their size, the cost of computer hardware is about $200 per 1 LB. Here 1 LB means 485 grams. 1 gram equal to 1 lb equal to 453.592 grams. Regardless of their size, the cost of computer hardware is about $200 per 1 lb when adjusted for implementation. Let us see the second axiom. Weight is the dominant factor in deciding computer use independently of time. Other factors such as memory, disk space and speed of execution seem to be less dominant. For example, a person is expected to use 50 lb of computer in the office at all times. Third axiom. Based on axiom 2, there exist 7 tiers as shown in table. Let us see the table. These are the 7 tiers. First tier located in wallet, the name is calculator. This price is $10. The weight of this calculator is 0.05 lb. To convert into grams, 1 lb equal to 453.592 grams. The second tier location is pocket. Pocket means collection of data. The name is special function. This tier 2 price is $100. This tier 2 weight is 0.5 lb. Third tier is briefcase. Name is neat of price is 1000. Weight is 5 lb. Fourth one, for type 4 located in office, the name is workstation. This workstation price is 10k dollars. Weight is 50 lb. Tier 5 located in departments. We are using tier 5 systems in department. The name is shared many computers or shared many systems. This type of systems price is approximately 100k dollars. Weight is 500 lb. Next tier is sixth one, located in central systems. Name is mainframe systems. This system price is approximately $1 million. Weight is 5000 lb. The last tier is located in region. This name is supercomputer systems. Price is $10 million. Weight is 50,000 lb. Based upon these 7 tiers, there is a factor of 10 in weight separating their tiers. You can see here there is a factor of 10, 5 into 1, 5 into 10, 5 into 100, 5 into 1000, 5 into 10,000. The same factor exists in price based on axiom 1. Every 7 years, improvements increase by a factor of 10. This is indicated by the fact that overall tier to tier technological increase is roughly 35% every year. This suggests that technology shifts every 7 years from one tier to the next tier, less developed layer. The last point is the transition from one type to another introduces qualitative changes in computing usage which are usually the most difficult to predict. For example, while the tire model could have predicted the emergence of workstations 20 years ago, it would have been unable to predict the need and role of the LAN concept. The model also cannot predict what is coming beyond the seventh tier. Here, LAN stands for Local Area Network. Already we discussed in previous lecture. That means star LAN, ring LAN, bus LAN. This is the brief discussion about hardware trends. Having completed the discussion on hardware trends, now students should be able to learn the following lecture outcome: discuss technology, hardware concepts, and computer types, and also learned about United States distribution of sales of different types of systems in Cad Cam Market. This is the following books are further reading. You can follow the standard textbook, that is Ibrahim Jeet and Shiva Subramani R.R. CAD CAM Theory and Practice, second edition, New Delhi, Tata McGraw Hill 2010. The reading chapter in this textbook is 2.8. You can also follow the reference book, that is CAD CAM Computer Aided Design and Manufacturing by Jimmers.